Hi randoms, today's video is part 2 of the Fall Clean and Decorate with Me series. In part 1, I cleaned and decorated my bedroom and bathroom. I'll put the link down below so you guys can go and check it out. Today I'll be cleaning and decorating the entryway, living room and kitchen. Hope you guys enjoy. This is the part of the house that is most neglected for me because we don't spend any time there. We just come in, we don't really have any much like visitors or anything like that. So when I clean, I tend to forget to like wipe down that area and certain spots. And also what you see, like the black board that you see there, it was already with the house. It's not something that we added. I'm just adding some fall leaves that I bought by Action last year. I know I use Action a lot, but in France, to me, it's considered like a Dollar Tree store, I guess, because you can buy things for not a lot of money. So just like some few cents or €1 or something like that. I added it around that picture frame with some fairy light, and that's about it really. I don't have a huge house, so a little decoration for me is fine, and I like to keep it simple either way. If you are new here, welcome, hello. My name is Random Ratty. You can call me Random or Ratty. I post videos such as vlogging, my UX career journey, and many more. Basically, most of your topics in one spot. If you happen to like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I tried to do something different with these garlands by not adding them at the top of the shutter box. So I wanted to put it really tight underneath, like right above the curtain, but I couldn't get it too thick. Especially, it would have been annoying knowing that my windows open on the inside. So after trying everything, I decided to go the traditional way and just put it at the top above the shutter box. Again, I apologize for the lighting. I don't have the best equipment for this, but I just wanted to show you guys how it all turned out. So as you can see, it is now above the shutter box. I added this little pumpkin sign, and yes, it is handmade. It's a DIY, and I'm going to show you guys right about now. Now I'm gonna show you guys. Love. So I just used a piece of cardboard to which I added some washi tape to it, just to hide the edges, and then I'm going to go in with a marker and just write the word pumpkin. I'm going to do another one basically, and I'm going to write the word spice. So all together we have the word pumpkin spice. It is not fantastic, but it is something that is easy that you can have the kids, if you have, to help you around the house, or just because you like to do DIYs like me. Then you will find an idea somewhere, somehow, with stuff around the house, just to make it more, you know, a little more pizzazz, a little more you. PS, not expensive, temporary if you want, or you can keep it, of course, for next year. I don't think that I have space to do so, but yes. all in all, I found that those decorations turned out so cute, so nice, and so simple. So I'm just going in, cleaning my cabinet here. I wanted to also add a garland that I made. If you guys watched the part 1, you guys know what I'm talking about. But then I removed this garland from there and I added it in the bathroom. So again, the link is down below if you guys want to see part 1. I know my house is in a mess, but that's how it is when you're cleaning. It is first a mess, then it becomes clean, especially with all the decorations that I had around. So I'm just picking up as I go all the blankets, putting them in this little basket that I bought, and just picking up everything from the floor, getting ready to get everything nice and clean. I'm adding my third garland under the TV. I was inspired, of course, by multiple Pinterest pictures that I saw. We don't really decorate where I'm from in the Caribbean because we don't have like the 4 seasons there or any season. It's mostly sun. So I really, again, I enjoy doing this part because it's never something that I've seen in real life or done before, if not on YouTube, Pinterest, and those other stuff. So I'm really happy that I did it this year, that I got to film it and show you guys. For the pillows, again, I only have some throw pillows for the living room, but that's what I also used to decorate my bedroom, just to show you guys like the whole look of it. And I really like the contrast of all these colors together. I find that they turn out really good. I struggled to put something here at the end. I just left it alone because we use this spot anyways to eat with, because we mostly eat by the couch. I added this after on a turntable and I just sprinkled some leaves in there, but I'm also gonna put like my different sauces, ketchup sauces, Caesars, all of those good stuff, just to make it useful, because we don't have, again, a lot of space. It's not a big house, so everything that I do has to be like multifunctional, if you wish. Everything is multifunctional in this house. LOL, right? All in all, it turned out so cute. Look at those colors and those contrasts together. Come on, it's beautiful. It is a beautiful. Don't mind me. I love it. And now I'm just finishing up with the rest of the kitchen, cleaning the bottom counters, the outside of the oven, sorry. And I'm just gonna sweep the floor. And normally after I sweep, I also pass the mop, but I forgot to film that part, so you guys are not gonna see me do that one. Yes, I use every space I can get at the bottom of those cabinets. I also use like that under space to store some food that are, I don't know, in plastic containers or cans that I know that any bugs can't go in them. So I still use that space to store some of my groceries. And here is how the couch turned out. I love the colors, traditional colors. It's now clean, it's not messy. I added little bits of green in there with the pumpkins. And I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when it's lit up. Adding fairy lights just makes everything look so cozy, especially if you don't use a lot of candles or don't use candles at all. You can just use fairy lights or LED lights that look like candles, but yeah, it just brings in the warmth. And I just added some leaves here and there, right there also. I know it's not going to be a bother. And I also added it above my cabinet. I just used some clear tape to hold it on there. And I found it turned out so cute and so original. And that's about it, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know that I did. I enjoyed doing this video. I enjoyed decorating my house, my apartment. And don't forget to subscribe if you like videos like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.